Okay.
Just go wait right here. I'll be right back. Yeah, give me 10 minutes with that. So you feel steady enough to walk and I can get all like that.
You're doing okay.
I can feel it tightening up though.
Tightening up?
I can feel you, like the thread. I don't know how to explain it. I can tell you're doing it now, but it doesn't hurt.
Feel the pressure.
Yeah, there you go. I can feel that.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think we are going to be all right there. So let's just clean it up a bit and look at it. You want just enough that it's brought together and everted. See how the skin kind of comes up a little? You want no more than you need. Each time you go through, there's a chance that there'll be a little track mark. So so you want to keep it as minimal as possible, but you want it enough that it. I think that's it.
Okay.
I think anything more than that, I don't think there's any other reason for it.
All right.
Okay.